Okay, this is spelling for 1.2. Okay, so let's go ahead and get your magnetic journals out. Your first word is fit. Go ahead and repeat the word. Tap the sound and find the letters. Okay, go ahead and touch your name, swoop and read, and spell it away. F-I-T. Okay, I'm going to show you over here. Get organized here. Okay, your next word is Sid. Okay, Sid is someone's name. All right. Tap the sounds. Find the letters. Okay, touch your name. S-I-D. And if this was being written on paper, you need to make sure you have a capital S because this is someone's name, okay? Now go ahead and swoop and read Sid and spell it away. S-I-D. Okay? Your next word is rip. Okay? Go ahead and find your letters. Touch your name. Swoop and read. Spell it away. And remember, I should hear you doing this. I shouldn't just hear myself. I should hear you as well. Okay? Next review word is lip. 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 Go ahead and find your letters. Touch your name. L-I-P. Swoop and read. Lip. Excuse me. Spell it away. L-I-P. Okay, your next word is shag. Touch your name. S-H-A-G. Shag. S-H-A-G. Okay. Your next word is Nash. 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 And this is a name as well. Okay, go ahead and touch your name. N-A-S-H. Swoop and read. Nash. Spell it away. N-A-S-H. Okay. Your next word is rash. Find your letters. Touch your name. Spell it away. Make sure you put them back in the order that they need to go in. Okay, your last word is shot. Find your letters. Touch your name. Swoop and read, shot, and spell it away. S-H-O-T. Oops, those are backwards. You see how I corrected that? Okay, so that was your spelling. Go ahead and move on to your dictation lesson and make sure you have your paper, your pencil, and you're repeating everything that I say out loud. Have a great day, and remember, happy learning and learn out loud. Bye-bye.